How to change head color in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account if you haven't already. Now, tap on option labeled Avatar from the bottom middle of the screen. Here you will see your current character with different customization options. Next, tap on the Customize section and then choose Head and Body. After that, tap on Skin. Here you will notice a set of colors, but it only changes the whole body at once. To change just the head color, scroll down and tap on Advanced. In the Advanced setting, you will see individual options for different body parts like head, torso, left arm, and so on. Tap on Head and select the color you want from the palette. Once you have chosen your desired head color, it will apply instantly. Now go back to your avatar and check that the head color has been updated successfully. It might take a moment to reflect, so if it doesn't show instantly, give it a few seconds or refresh the avatar screen. And that's it. Now you know how to change head color in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.